On a recent episode of the Innovation Zone, I was really excited to bring you the benefits of the Quick Fix Surgical Cric. And now, I got another innovation that I want to show you. It's the Quick Fix Junior Pediatric Needle Cricothyrotomy. And I want to go ahead and show you some of the benefits of this. First off, just like its big brother, it comes in a clear package. This is really a benefit if you want to see what's going on inside that package. You know, a lot of times, this is a skill we don't get to do all the time. So if we're able to see the contents, it's going to keep our mind fresh as to when we need to open this package, the things that we're going to have in there, and how we're going to be able to utilize them. But what if we forget? Well, they've already taken care of that for us as well, and you can see on the front, it's got step-by-step procedures on how to use the tools inside this kit. You know, just like its name implies, the Quick Fix, this procedure can be done in 4 quick steps. Let's go ahead and cover those steps. First, what we need to do is we need to continually hold the skin taut over the thyroid cartilage. Second, go ahead and insert the needle through the cricothyroid membrane until air is withdrawn. The next thing you want to do is you want to remove the needle and attach the adapter to the catheter. And finally, go ahead and ventilate and confirm position. It's that quick. You know, performing a needle cricothyrotomy on a pediatric patient is a skill that's very few and far between. But I gotta tell you, the Quick Fix Junior really answers that for us. From the step-by-step instructions on the front to the clear package that we can see the contents in the back, they've really hit a home run with this product. I'm Chris Saballero. Thank you for joining us.